deeper than what it was. Okay.
In that little box, is it?
Plastic chair.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, sit. Okay.
Sit on there.
Pull the boat back. Pull the boat back. Walk down the stairs and lean down and we'll get either side of you. Okay, put your arms around our shoulders. Okay, swing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm happy.
You don't worry.
Ah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Push the boat against the wall, lads. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. If you could sit over on this side.
I got your stuff.
If you could sit on this side.
Find out where the